It's Friday, August the 2nd. Still pulling hardware down low. Stopped at 3 fish, 2 rainbows and a brown. Speedy shiners down around 45 feet, going 2.6 to 2.4. That'll do it for August the 2nd, 2024. Sunday, August the 4th. Back in early. I got a couple nice rainbows for the barbecue today. Still trolling hardware, speedy shiners down around 45 feet. Stopped at 2 today. That's all I needed. Nice day out here on the lake, nice and calm. Smoke's mainly gone now from the park fire. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up and get the barbecue going around lunchtime. That'll do it August the 4th, 2024. Wednesday, August the 7th. This is my 4th fish. Nice rainbow trout. Still pulling speedy shiners down about 40 feet or so. But I've had a pretty good day. The rest of the fish are cleaned. I'm going to get this one cleaned up and get on to the house. Nice day in the lake. Pretty warm, pretty smoky. White smoke clouds over towards Mineral, and so smoky over there. You can't see Mount Lassen, but I'm done for the day. August the 7th, 2024. It's August the 11th here at the lake, and this clock on this is an hour ahead, so it's 8 o'clock. It's my 4th fish, but nice 6 1/4 pound rainbow. Had a good day. It's really peaceful here at the lake. Sunday, August the 11th. So we're going to get this puppy cleaned up and maybe on the grill for dinner. August the 11th, 2024 here at the lake.